Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you guys? So today I will share this ebook and references. So ebook and other references for electrical instrumentation and telecommunications. So if you are involved, if you are interested to start your journey in design, installation, inspection, pre-commissioning, and testing, so this is for you. If you are a beginners or if you are already have an experience but you need more uh, informations and to become like a little bit expert about the electrical instrumentation and telecom. But as we can say, there's no expertise in this position because you handling the three discipline. Okay, so it's a matter of informations and knowledge in order to proceed whatever your journey. You become inspector, become a QC engineer, you become a construction engineer, become a pre-commissioning engineer, commissioning engineer. All right. So this is refer from my training and seminar experiences. So I created ebooks based on my training and seminars and experiences. Okay, this is a list of the ebooks that is reference files that we have 40 PDF files, and then we have ebook files. We have 7 PDF files, and also I have one PDF file for my interview and other experiences that's included in one file. Okay. So what is there? In ebook, I have 7. This is the list of the ebook. So E&I guide. So ebook test procedures and telecom guides and other quality testing. So design, installation, inspection. You can start up and commissioning. Ebook, design, inspection, and testing, and switchgear inspection and cable training and other inspections related the quality design and inspections. So other references, this is the other references you can see. So from BMS Battery Bank, that is the experiences guys. This record is based on the experiences that the new battery bank which captured. This is the whole photos of the new battery system. Okay, based on my previous experiences and this all the previous experiences and other specification and standards. Okay, and also this, and we have a calibrations, instrument, commissioning, electrical testing, commissioning electrical equipment. So you can see here GIS, gas insulated switchgear. So 132 kV inspection testing, grounding, high path testing, ground system. So this is all the informations that I prepared, and then that is for your journey in your inspection, design, construction, and commissioning. All right, and then we have some tips here: calibration, site acceptance procedure, INT. Okay, you can see here interview reference questions. So this is my file during the interview and questions and other informations. So this is the ebook. What is the inside of the ebook? So we have 66 pages, and then we have another ebook, which is ebook test procedures, 40 pages, and then we have another ebook for E&I telecom guide and basic quality and testings, so 76 pages, and then another that is specification and construction design and inspection, that is 58 pages, and then we have electrical and instrumentation design inspection testing, 129 pages, and then we have 36 pages for the training of the switchgears including inspections, and then we have electrical cables including all the inspection up to the testing, that is 45 pages, and we have 15 pages for the guide and testing. All right, so this is the how many pages in my interview references and questions? They have 33 pages. So this is all the documents that I created way back 7 years, guys. Okay, up to now. So I created the video presentation, I created YouTube channel, so almost 3 years now. So this is all the informations that I given to you guys. And then what is the value of that? The ebook is worth 199 dirhams. So I give you one bonus, AIT references files 129, and then bonus 2, that is my interview and experiences, worth 99. So this is experience and interview and some of the informations, guys, for the 7 years being QC inspector, QC engineer. All right, and this training, guys, based on my seminars and training affiliate, and I attended too many trainings through online that I paid 199 dirham dollars up to $50 and sa subscriptions of the files. Okay, so that is total 597 dollar, and then for the peso it's equivalent 34,000. It's little bit, it's a big amount, guys. So but since this is related your journey to become a QC engineer, construction engineer, commissioning engineer, and QC inspector, so this is worth it. Okay, since you are, if you are new and you want to start, this is the good for you, in order that you know very well. All right, so I give you a discount, guys, for this total 427. So if you subscribe my channel, I will give you money back 59. So like and comments in my 29 videos, money back 59, 59 dirhams. Shares my 29 videos, your social medias, money back 59 dirhams. Watch my videos minimum 3 minutes, money back 59 dirhams. And if you can refer a friends, like and subscribe and comments in my 29 videos, I will give you money back 89 dirhams. So the total discount is worth 325 dirhams. So now the value of my books, ebooks and files, just only 102 dirhams. In peso, 1,500. So in case A, that is 105. So how you will get this one? Just drop an email to me, and then you can start your journey. This is my email, nokeri19@gmail.com. So that's all, guys, and have a nice day. Bye bye.